continue to watch to see how these closet latches are going to be installed. Welcome back to Darkness Travels. Today, yes, today, I have a project. So, you know that, we're going to be living in the RV, the 1995 Airstream motorhome. So, there's things that are going to be broken. There's things that are going to need replaced. And I'm going to take you along today as I show you what's in this and show you where they go and show you how to put it on. Alright, this comes in a pack of 4. And they look like this. This is one piece, and then there's another piece like this, and they go into each other like this. This tape is the only thing holding the closet shut. Piece here and this piece here. This piece is good, and this is the piece we have to replace on this door here. So it looks like just a Phillips is going to take that out. Come on, no more tape. Alright, another project done in the mothership. What I will tell you though is that these things come, I don't know if you could see it, yeah you could see it, with sliders. So you could adjust these up and down because each unit, whether it's the boat or the motorhome or whatever RV you're using, may have different screw holes, so they do allow for some error. And that's about it. I will put a link in the comments below for the parts if you're ever looking for this particular latch. I got them on Amazon for 13 something, free shipping with Prime, and they came in a couple days. So thanks for coming by, and make sure you hit subscribe below. If you're watching on Facebook, head over to youtube.com/darknesstravels and subscribe there. Thank you much. See you soon.